Hey, my name's Tina.
And I'm Leah. In today's video, we're going to explain to you the expectations when you're attending a local youth court.
Barnett, Brent and Harrow show the local youth court at Willesden. The address of the local court is 448 High Road, London, NW10 2DZ.
There are three main reasons why young people attend court. They are, first, when you're charged, for example, by the police for an alleged offence. Second, when you're about to attend a trial because you have pleaded not guilty for an alleged offence. Finally, when you're about to be sentenced.
On the occasion, you may be transported from the police station to the local court cell following your charge for an offence.
The YJS officer and your solicitor will be attending your cell and will speak to you to check your well-being and offer support before you are brought to court. However, if you receive a police bail and was advised to attend court on a certain date, it is very important that you attend on time, and it's an expectation that you will be searched by the court security to ensure your safety and the safety of others.
Here are three golden rules. P, C, R. P, be polite. C, cooperative. And R, respectful. Following the search, you need to meet up with your defense solicitor, and if not available, look for a duty solicitor. Also, don't forget to look for the list of hearings and courtrooms you're allocated to. They're usually located at the lobby of Court 10 in Willesden Youth Court.
If you are due to be sentenced, please ensure you meet with your YJS officer to obtain a copy of your pre-sentence report and let them explain to you their legal recommendations.
You also need to introduce yourself to the usher so that they're aware of your presence, and that includes your guardians.
Here are some tips you should keep in mind. Turn off mobile phones and other devices. Hats and headwear aren't permitted except for religious purposes. Please remove your sunglasses before entering the courtroom, unless due to medical condition. Also, no foods and beverages are allowed in the courtrooms. There are some important things to remember so you can show respect. Stand up. When the judge or magistrates come into the courtroom, gently bow your head and wait until they sit down before you sit. Stand up when your name is called. Speak clearly and a little louder so everyone can hear when you say your name and date of birth.
When you speak to the judge or magistrates, use respectful words. For the judge, you say your honour, and for the magistrates, you say your worships.
Here are some people you will meet in the youth court. Magistrates. These are the people in charge of the courtroom. There are usually three of them. The magistrates wear ordinary clothes. They do not wear wigs or gowns like district judges in the Crown Courts. Sometimes there is one district judge instead. The prosecution lawyer, also known as the CPS. This lawyer tries to show that the defendant did break the law. They present evidence and ask witnesses questions.
The witness. A witness is someone who answers questions about what they saw, heard, or experienced. They speak from a place called the witness box. The usher. The usher helps the court run smoothly and tells people where to go and what to do. The defense lawyer. This lawyer helps the defendant. They ask questions and try to show that the defendant did not break the law. On occasion, a young person may be placed inside the dock to make sure that you and others are safe.
The youth justice worker and the social worker will be inside the courtroom to support you and stand up for your needs and tell the judge about your current circumstances and how they can help you to avoid committing further offence. It is important that you speak to them openly and honestly with respect, as they are there to help you. After the judge has listened to everyone and considered all the information, they will ask you to stand up and explain their decision and their reasons for it. It's important that you listen carefully and answer any questions politely and respectfully. After the hearing, your solicitor and youth justice officer will talk to you and explain what happens next. They will give you advice, answer any questions you may have, and help you understand what you need to do.
To find out more about the different court orders and out-of-court resolutions, please visit www.barnet.gov.uk and search for Youth Justice Service, or scan the QR code below to go directly to the correct webpage.
This video has been created by Barnet Youth Justice Service and students from St Michael's Catholic Grammar School in order to help you to understand the court process. We hope this helps and thank you for listening.